Shalonda Simmons Emanuel, and I've been in the healthcare industry for over 15 years in the acute setting as well as in the home health setting. And what's important is that particularly in the acute care setting or in the hospital setting, as most people know, is that intersection where the physician, the nurse, the multidisciplinary team takes care of the patient. And it's extremely important for that multidisciplinary team to be able to speak in the language that the patient understands. With us having a demographic shift within the US particularly, many patients are coming in where English is not their first or native language. Therefore, having that multidisciplinary team that's able to speak to them in their native tongue really helps to make that connection and improve the quality of care. Within the home health setting, having teams that speak the language of their clients because they're going into the client's home, dealing with the client's families because we're in collective societies now, especially since we're contained, helps to really build that connection and better fit the needs of the patient and the quality of care that they're receiving. It's important for healthcare professionals to be certified in the language that they're going to be speaking to the patient in, particularly in the medical terminology. You know, we often take for granted some of the terms that we use in English, for example, heartburn. Well, that's not necessarily hurting of the heart. It's more of a gastro issue. And if you try to literally translate that information, you could be conveying erroneous information. So it's really important for your healthcare team to be proficient in the language as well as understand the medical terminology of that industry. The ability to be able to test and assess language proficiency remotely at your convenience from the device that healthcare professional might use is excellent because it's convenient. They already have long hours and there's a lot of challenges with their time. So being able to access it from any device at any time remotely helps to be able to demonstrate that proficiency in the language and test them for that. As a former healthcare executive that supervised healthcare professionals, having an organization like the Language Testing International is truly essential to the care that's provided to clients. And to be able to test the proficiency, whether it's listening, whether it's oral, written, of that healthcare professional's ability to be able to communicate in different or multiple languages really is a matter of life and death. And so having a resource like Language Testing International is crucial to the industry.